hold it.
Okay, go. Whoa! What do you think?
It looks like a green water volcano.
A green water volcano? Cool, you want to get some more?
Yeah.
Okay, show me how you learn how to use that. Pull it up. Pull the white part up. Oh, try again. Push it all the way down. Try again. Push it all the way down. There you go.
I scored it.
Okay, now put it. I'll make sure it's in the liquid. There you go. Now pull the white part up. Make sure it's in the liquid. Oh. Good job. Okay. Now hold it down and squirt it. What do you think about that, bud?
We gotta make it go around the volcano, and then what do we do?
Oh, I don't know. What do you think we should do next? What do you think about, this is called science. Do you like science?
Uh-huh.
Whoa, you got a lot that time. All right, let's watch the volcano.
I want to lay down and watch it go.
Okay.